Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? And I hope you are really fine and you are so good because we know the weather is such cold. Okay, and now, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, or in this video, I would like to tell you about my future business that I plan now. And I think this business is one of the best if we conduct in Lombok, especially because we know the economic of Lombok is growth, and also the tourism sector in Lombok also growth in today's era. So without further ado, let's move to the proposal, or I think the business that I plan now. And the business is about car rental. Okay, what is car rental? Okay. Car rental, we plan that in several months we have 50 staff, and also we have 100 more members in the future. So we know that Lombok is a popular tourist destination, okay, and attracting 1,000 of visitors each year, and the growth in international and domestic tourism has increased the demand for rental cars, as travelers prefer the convenience and flexibility of having their own transportation. And also the rapid urbanization and improved infrastructure have made it easier for people to access car rental service. And considering how important a means of transportation for visitors, we decided to establish a small company that provides car rental services. We are dedicated to providing the best service to customer and a valuable rental experience at competitive prices. And what about our business background? Okay, car rental is a service that allows to individuals to rent vehicle temporarily, typically for a short period ranging from a few hours to several weeks and also several months. And it is a convenient and flexible option for various purposes like business travel, vacation, temporary transportation needs, and also as replacement vehicle during car repairs. And how about the market? Okay, the market overview. We know that Indonesian car rental market is booming nowadays and driven by a growing middle class, a thriving tourism industry, and the rise of riding hailing services. And our market structure, the first one is include major rental companies, the next one local rental companies, and the last one is peer-to-peer car sharing. And we know that our competitor in Lombok, the first one is Trek Astra Rental a Car, and Lombok Rental Cars, and also Bluebird Group, then local agencies, and last one is Gojek. And our car rental industry involve peer-to-peer car sharing, short-term rentals, digitalization and mobile apps, car subscription services, and rideshare driver rental. And if you ask me about how about the price of rent a car in my company. So the rental car price can vary according to the type of vehicle. So it means if you want to rent a good car or luxury car, of course the price is higher than if you want to rent a family car or another car. So the price is according to the type that you rent and also the rental duration. If you rent a car just for a few hours, of course it's lower than if you rent a car for several weeks or several months, and also the type of service and so on. Okay, so the price of my rental car is according to the type of vehicle, rental duration, and type of service. Okay, and the operational. So in the operational, how can we rent a car in your company? How is the process to rent a car in your company? Okay, the process to rent a car, the first one is flat management, and the next one you have the reservation and also booking, and then the vehicle will pick up you, and next vehicle inspection, and also rental agreement, and during the rental period, of course, and don't forget to returning the vehicle, and the important thing is billing and payment. Okay, you have to bill and or pay after you have to rent a car, because we need to know, we need to know how about the experience while you rent a car from my company. And after billing and payment, don't forget to give a feedback and support to our company. Okay, because this is the important for our company to know about our less and benefit. And the last one is maintenance and repairs. Okay, and our control, we monitor the status and availability of rental vehicle or driver, and providing training and development opportunities for employees to ensure they are well prepared to carry out their roles effectively, will minimize possible disturbance. And we don't forget to supply, in our company we have, or in our car we have GPS devices to detect you where you are, and also who have a child, we have a child car seat. So don't worry about if you have a child, don't worry about where's your child can sit, because we have child car seat in our car. And snow chains and other extras the customer may request. So if you wanna something in our car, we will fulfill it. Okay, and also we need to consider that all vehicle meet safety and regulatory standard. This is the most important thing. And how about the business location? Okay, if you want to find our factory, okay, we conduct and prioritize customer accessibility and companion. Okay, Adrian Car Rentals, okay, company has 3 branches located. Okay, the first one is near the Lombok International Airport, because I know a lot of tourists, and most of tourists come from airport. So I prioritize the location of my business near Lombok International Airport. And the next one is Bangsal Harbor, because most of tourists that come to Lombok, of course, they will come to Gili Island. So yeah, I think that a good place that I can conduct, or yeah, I can conduct the location of my business in Bangsal Harbor, and also the last one at Mataram City, because we know Mataram is the capital city of West Nusa Tenggara, and the Mataram City is the central economic and also central anything. So a lot of people, a lot of tourists come to Mataram, and this rental car is not only for tourists but also accessible for local people. So yeah, I think at Mataram there are several businessmen that can rent a car to running away their business. And our regulatory control in general, a rental business license can be obtained through the local license services. And how about the management? Okay, the first one is about relevant experience. Our employees have a proven track record in the automotive industry, and with years of experience in driving various vehicles, providing the best service and fulfilling aspect required to serve customer. And also the relevant skill, of course. The first one is ensuring that all vehicles meet safety and regulatory standards. The next one is vehicle inspection and maintenance. And next, provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries, complaints, and requests. And last one is handling marketing and promoting. And our organization structure. The first one is CEO, CFO, and COO. CEO is Chief Executive Organization, and CFO Chief Financial Organization, and COO Chief Operational Organization. And customer service and sale, and also human resources, and last one maintenance and service. And our proposal here include 5W. The first one is what we propose to do. Okay, we aim to establish a rental service that unique and able to compete in market, especially in Lombok. And how we propose to do. Our company will strive to keep operating along with improving our service quality and building collaboration with relevant business. And where we propose to do it, the business will be based on location that have a large number of visitors, like I said before, and close to urban center, and also close to airport. Okay, and when we propose to do, we are planning to launch our business within a year, followed by a gradual expansion. And when it will success, we are confident that the advantages we offer can make this business successful. And how about the forecast? Okay, the cost of sales, okay, include the cost of renting a car, let's say 350,000 per car and for days. Okay, so one cars it's about 350,000 rupiah for the days. Okay, just for days. But if you want to rent a car just for a few hours, so the price is lower, or the cost is lower than I said before. And how about the five-year forecast? Okay, so the total revenue, so the average price per service sold equal to number of service sold. So sales revenue, okay, 350,000 and 25 days, because 25 is effective days in 1 month. So the total is 8,750,000 rupiah. And also in 1 month, so the total is 105 billion rupiah. And about financial information, profit and loss account. This account provides an overview of income and cost for 1 year so that we can calculate not profit or loss. Or about the break-even point or BEP. Fixed cost, selling price per unit minus variable price per unit. And the variable cost per unit are 300,000 rupiah. And the BEP is about 36 unit. Okay, and about the risk, the first one is low sales. Low sales result in revenue shortfall, which later will impact on the low profitability rate. And low margins, the low market margin can be caused by several factors such as increased competition, economic condition, and changing customer preferences. And high cost, high operational cost can reduce profit. This is usually due to rising prices for car maintenance and equipment, high demand and low supply. And last one is minor operational problem, and the risk of car damage or loss due to irresponsible customer is very concerning in rental a car. Okay, I think that's all my explanation today, or today's video. And sorry if you don't understand what I said, and I hope, as a personal, I hope that this business can I conduct in the future, because this is one of the best business in my opinion, and one of the good and can earn a lot of money. So if you wanna collaboration with me to conduct this business, yeah, of course you can come to me, and you can call me, or you can subscribe this video, and also follow my Instagram account Adrian Holid for more information. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, guys.